Raw Food Self-Made, a journey across raw food cuisine. Over 60 recipes for a happy body and mind. 0% gluten, soy, dairy, sugar, cholesterol or chemicals. 100% flavor, vitamins, minerals, micronutrients and tastiness. Raw food certainly has endless health benefits, which you will notice as soon as you integrate more raw foods into your life. With simple yet satisfying recipes and easily obtainable ingredients, this book introduces you to delicious dishes which happen to be raw and healthy as a side effect. 98 colored pages. PDF format, digital, ideal for computers, laptops, tablets or to print out. What to expect? 1. Over 60 recipes. Suitable for kitchen newbies and raw food beginners, as well as inspiration for well-versed raw foodies. Equipment is kept simple. Almost all recipes can be made with a knife and a cutting board, or a blender. The simple ingredients are mostly easy to get in any well-assorted supermarket or organic store. Every single recipe was tried and tested by me personally, and again edited, modified and improved. Raw Food Self-Made also contains exclusive recipes such as Very Berry Smoothie, Citrus Salad, Carrot Soup, Green Sushi, variations of chocolate and more. 2. Useful information and tutorials. Ingredients used in raw food cuisine. Equipment for your raw food kitchen. Soaking nuts, why and how. How to sprout. The best way to start your day. What to eat when on the road. 1 day raw meal plan for summer. 1 day raw meal plan for winter. 3. Extra bonus points. The book is a PDF version for you to print out and store in a beautiful folder of your choice. Take notes on your printouts to calculate double or triple portions for a party or to simply enjoy a lot of chocolate pudding yourself. That's okay as well. Easily replace a page if it is soiled in the spur of your uncooking moment, instead of having a laptop covered in strawberry sauce. Or laminate them to stay clean all along the way. Use your printouts as a groceries list, and take the recipe page to the store instead of having to write it all down. Each recipe is always on one page, so you won't risk losing any part of it. Get your copy now.